Right folks, this is a fence we did previously. Alright, we did this about 3 years ago. We've been that happy to get that on their gate, the Phoenix badge. Come on in, come on in, come on in. This here is going to be taken down and the magic Wullie Hogg weed's going to be there. Right, it's as simple as that. So there's the before, right? Lovely garden. Now this is for Thomas Russell. Wait to see if I've got it right. And hopefully I'm not like Joe Biden. Oh, got it right, Thomas Russell. Hey, I wrote it down, you see, in case I forget. I didn't forget. So Thomas Russell, we didn't want to give him, Thomas, to show you the weed with the feather board. So we'll show you how we do that with the upright board, the Wullie Hogg weed. And I'll show you that tomorrow, Thomas, right? It's as simple as that. And we done that gate, they're still standing there. Look at that gate. That's another thing of beauty, still standing there after 3 years. Eh? I thought 2 years that I fell down, but never mind. Also, a wee bit of paper for me's coffee. Right? Also, we were looking for too. A hello to Alec McMullen, fellow fencer too. There you go. But there you go, that's all I've got to say. I'm now going to the workshop. I'm going to make a gate. Bit of paper again. See the way I do that? Right? I'm going to make a gate to answer Alec, he's fellow fencer, Paul Campbell Maybowl, and James Harrison about how not to use 4x2s for gates. So there you go. So follow me just shortly up to the wee workshop there. See you all later, folks.